Hi, Belly here. Today I'm going to teach you how to use sound effects like sounded sexy. To use sound effects successfully, we have to think about using them strategically. Don't just use a in the middle of the sentence because it's going to sound wrong. See? We've put together a bunch of sound effects in the NAS Academy assets just for you. Simply open the library. Select your clip and drag it into the timeline. Don't overdo sound effects and only use them when it adds value to your video. See you later!